Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today's video, guys, we'll be working on a Mazda CX-7, guys, and we'll show you guys where to locate and how to replace the AC pressure switch. This is the air conditioning pressure switch. This switch, guys, is the one that is responsible for detecting how much pressure we have in the system, and it tells the compressor whether it's safe to run or not. If that switch is back, your AC compressor will not work. So stay with us, that's what we'll be doing. In the meantime, guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car. So please, guys, subscribe. That's all we need in return. Our goal is to save you guys as much money as we can. Like the video and drop a comment below. Let us know if the video was helpful. So this is, guys, the Mazda CX-7. Whether you have the one with the facelift or without the facelift, the procedure is the same. We need to go ahead and open the hood. We have quite a few mechanical videos, engine replacements as well, on our main channel, Auto Repair, guys. Please, guys, check it out. So this is the Mazda. Open the hood. Okay, now something very, very important. Your AC system is under enormous amount of pressure, usually. So if you have to replace that switch, okay, you will have to drain your system. Okay, what I'll recommend, to take it to a shop to vacuum it down. Many places will recycle your Freon, because if you just let the Freon out, okay guys, you're killing the atmosphere, and some states and countries, they have huge fines for that, so never ever do that. You can see what machine we use listed in the description of the video below, and you'll be able to find the replacement sensor as well. Let me show you where it's located. So this is the high pressure point here. This is low pressure line. Usually the sensor, guys, is located on the high pressure line. This is your AC pressure sensor. So how we, guys, remove it? We need to disconnect the wire. Okay, that thing, press down, pull it out. Now this is with a 24mm nut here, okay, the sensor itself, and on the bottom with 17mm you have to hold the line, otherwise it will cause damage. Hold the line and one person will take it off. Now make sure that, okay, the system is completely empty, because if you have any Freon, guys, okay, all that will come out under enormous amount of pressure, can hurt you really bad, can make you blind, so be very careful. This is, guys, the pressure sensor switch. Okay, this thing, okay, right here, you can see, not very big thing, super little, but that's how you guys remove it. Now we'll have a video, guys, on the channel that will explain how to test those and all that stuff, so you don't have to waste your money buying one unless you need to. So please check it out. Also, the new replacement sensor will be listed in the description of the video below, and we will share what Freon we use and all that stuff. And we'll have a video how to recharge the system, so please check that out. Thank you, guys, for watching. Thank you for the support. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.